Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to mute a chat on Viber. Maybe you have a chat that is constantly active with notification and you want to silence it temporarily. So today I'm going to show you how to mute a chat on Viber. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Viber application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. On this page, locate the chat that you want to mute. For example, I will mute this conversation. So long press on the chat. This will bring up a menu with various options. In this menu, since you wanted to silence this conversation, simply tap on this mute chat option. After that, you will see a menu below with mute duration options. You can choose to mute the chat for a specific period of time, such as 1 hour, 8 hours, or even indefinitely. Select your desired mute duration by tapping on it. For example, I will select for 24 hours. Once you do that, the chat will be muted and you will no longer receive notifications or sounds for that particular chat. There you go. If you wanted to know how to mute a chat on Viber, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to mute a chat on Viber, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.